Today, November 19th, 2022, is International Journalist Remembrance Day. This is a day to commemorate those journalists who gave their lives in the performance of their duties. Journalism can be traced back to a very early time. It uses regular published press bulletins. But it was not until the 17th century that the publications that reported the news to the public in a standardized way began to emerge. Large-scale printing technologies such as printing presses have developed and allowed the establishment of newspapers to provide news for an increasing number of literate audiences. Over time, newspaper publishing has become a more mature practice, with publishers increasing the number of publications to weekly or daily. Nowadays, more and more people consume news digitally through e-readers, smartphones, and other electronic devices. Journalists are the eyes and ears of the public. Journalists are a lamp, lighting up the true feelings of the world. They are still working hard, no matter in the heat or cold, or in the wind and rain. Whenever news occurs and people do not realize that it is news, journalists will appear and diligently collect stories of joys and sorrows, light and dark, moving and cold, exciting and silent in the social landscape. Defend dignity with responsibility, compare life with heart, compare life with conscience, express greatness with pain, and create legend with diligence. A video has witnessed the real background. A shot has fixed the person concerned. A title has revealed its true colors, and a comment has reflected the social focus. Every journalist is a real writer and a poet who praises life. He or she records the footprints of life with camera, captures real life with camera, interviews the truth with microphone, and dedicates his beloved cause with his soul. Every journalist left a beautiful legend on the stage of newspapers and TV screens. This is a painting we've created with oil pastels for this special day. Have a great day.